I did some shopping over at Fortune Cookie Soap with my credit card. It does look like Fortune Cookie Soap is getting things turned around from their small business slump, and they have a very big Facebook presence. The last thing I heard is that they've worked with I'm going to call it a financial advisor and a business investor, and they really are turning things around. We took the opportunity to purchase the January box as well as some laundry soap. Took a while for it to ship. That's okay. They're working through things. It sounds like they're back on track. With that being said, let's show you what we got. A monthly box is different than a quarterly box. There is no soap in the shape of a fortune cookie. With that being said, they have some neat stuff here, and the theme was something about a ship of dreams for the January box. And it started out with their full-size item. You get one full-size item and 3 sample size if you do a monthly box. And so this is the perfume, which is the full-size item. And although I'm not a big perfume person, I've taken a couple of sniffs. I like this. Oh, goody. The notes for the perfume are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and dazzling tangerine. And it smells very nice, not overpowering. We got a Heart of the Ocean whipped soap. I think the blue color is fun. Yes, it is. And it smells nice too. The scent notes on that one are sparkling like the vast ocean, and extra notes of sweet fruit and sugar, and a little bit of musk. And that is a whipped soap. I think I want to take a bath. Can you wait till we're done with the video? Okay. This is their I'll Never Let You Go laundry scent booster. You put a bit of this into your wash and it gives it that extra little boost of scent. To be exact, it says 1 to 2 tablespoons. Honestly, I use a smaller amount than that, but I have a smaller washer. I'll Never Let Go laundry scent booster with notes of cool breeze, light citrus, and salty sea air. Almost makes you want to do the laundry. And we got the sample size of a hair oil. This one to me smells like baby powder, so I'm a little unsure on this one, but for a sample size, I'm willing to give it a try. And its notes are for King of the World hair oil, amber, sandalwood, musk, and hints of fresh citrus. So that's what came in the January box. 1 full size, the perfume, and 3 deluxe sample sizes, the other items. What did you see that you liked? Let me know. Inquiring camels want to know all the details. And then I did some shopping. I got some laundry soap. This is 13 ounces and will do 28 loads in a regular washer, and I believe it is 56 if you have a fancy front-loading washer. The scent on this one, oh my, oh my. Oh, she is a good one. So for our PJP laundry detergent, the scent notes are oranges, grapefruit, strawberry, melon, peach, kiwi, and sugar. Makes you want to go on a tropical vacation. Or at least your clothes will think they're on a tropical vacation. Taking a quick look into the nitty-gritty, and if you're interested in anything that they might have on their website, I do have a link in the description box down below. Give it a try. And you can shop at their store without being subscribed to one of their boxes. That's always nice. So looking at the totals here for the laundry soap, because that was a separate order from the January box. So the laundry soap we got out of there for $43.87. The laundry soap was $15.99. I got 2 of them because they sounded lovely and they are heavenly in scent. And so for 2 of them, route protection and cost of shipping, $43 and change. So yes, perhaps a little more expensive than what you buy at the store, yet the store doesn't have these fun scents. The January box is 4 items, 1 full size, that was the perfume, 3 sample sizes, and it was $19.95, $1.95 route protection. The shipping was free, so that was $21.90. All things considered, I think it was a good value. And we liked most, if not all, of the items. I think we're most excited about that laundry detergent. I think so too. And the perfume. And I'm not a big perfume person. So what do you think? Leave us a comment down below, and please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting videos. We've got lots of battles coming up, all kinds of fun stuff. Hope to see you in another video. Catch you later.